Hey everyone! So Valentine's Day is obviously one of my favorite times of the year. Right now I'm just putting on primer. So yeah, we actually just jumped straight into the tutorial. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I did this like that fast. But I put on my primer. I'll list all the products in the description box. And right now I'm just priming my eyes with some LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then I also set it. Next, I'm taking this Modern Renaissance palette. I haven't used this palette in a minute. I use like that light brown, actually it's not even a brown, it's like an orangey brown type of shade, and I use that as my transition color. Then I went in with like this pinkish purpley color, trying to put that in my crease basically, and I blended that out. Next I went into the Violet VOSS palette. I haven't used this palette actually in a minute either, and I wanted to use like a burgundy color. I kind of wanted to do like a dusty rose smoky eye type of thing, so yeah. Next, I went back into that burgundy color in the Violet VOSS palette, and I took like a dark brown shade and I mixed the two together, and I just deepened my crease with that to kind of give like a little bit more of a smoky effect, and I just did it as many times as I wanted to. Then I went back into that ANASTASIA palette and I mixed the brown and the pinkish color in there, and I put that all over my lid, and then I blended out like the edges just to make everything nice and clean. Like I said, I'll definitely have all of the products listed in the description box. You guys have seen my foundation routine a million times. I'm using the new NARS foundation, mixing it with my Fenty. The reason being is because NARS, I don't know like what it is, but it gives like a grayish undertone. Like I don't know what it is. And the Fenty, this is my summer shade, so it's too warm, so I mixed the two together and it kind of works out for me. NARS, I don't know, I love the foundation, but it's like after you wear it for a while, like the color just looks weird. I don't know what it is. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my concealer. I pack on my concealers. I know, I love to do that, and the reason being is because like I don't know, I just feel like I get so much coverage when I do that. I mix the LA Girl and the ColourPop concealers. Girl, ColourPop is bomb. Like I forgot how much it is, like $6. Like honestly, it's like tied like toe to toe with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and that's a lot to save for me. Next, I just blend and blend and blend until it's all together. You do not want a line of demarcation from your highlight and your foundation. I hate when people do that. Next, I'm taking the SACHA Buttercup setting powder. Can you guys believe I'm not using Laura Mercier? Like I've been using SACHA Buttercup, and I think I actually like it a little bit better than Laura Mercier, and I feel so bad saying that, but SACHA Buttercup is like, it's been my thing recently. I don't know what it is. So obviously I just put that all over my face, packed it in just to make sure everything is set. Then I went ahead and contoured. I used the Morphe contour kit. That one I kind of skipped through. I basically do the same type of routine throughout all of my makeup tutorials, so I didn't want to bore you guys with the same stuff. And also I'm bronzing my face with a ColourPop bronzer as well. I think it's the darkest one that they have. I forgot the name of it, but it will be in the description box. Next, I'm just adding some blush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. It's their nude blush palette. I love that palette. I think it's a really good product to have. You have a lot of different choices. Now, this is my favorite part. This is kind of what makes or breaks your look. Like, if I would have left it without doing my under eye, without making it smoky, it would have looked stupid to me. So, I wanted to do a deep smoky eye, so I used that crease color from the Modern Renaissance palette along with the brown, and I just mixed it together, and I just smoked it out until I was happy with what I was seeing. I didn't want to do too much, but not too late. I wanted the eyes to really just like pop when you look at it, you know? Next, I'm taking Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the baby one, so don't judge me. I actually forgot that I had this. Next, I'm taking these EYLURE lashes. I forgot the exact name, but like I said, they will be listed in the description box. To add the inner corner, most people would do like a highlighted look. I mean, like as far as like shimmery, I wanted to do something that was more pale and more of a pink pale, because that's kind of what made the look for me. As far as the lips, I used the Nicki Minaj collection from MAC, and that's actually the final look. The tutorial's fast, but honestly it's like a very, very easy look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.